Eid ul-Fitr, 2023–1444 H. Prayer time in Saudi Arabia. The Eid prayer in Saudi Arabia is held 10 to 15 minutes after sunrise. Thus it is important to reach the masjid before sunrise to have ample time to find an appropriate praying spot. If the masjid is expected to be very crowded, then it is better to reach the masjid before the Fajr prayer and then stay there till the Eid prayer. The time of the sunrise in the biggest cities of Saudi Arabia on the day of Eid ul-Fitr 2023–1444 H. The 21st of April 2023 is as follows. Name of the city time of sunrise: Riyadh 5:26 a.m. Jeddah 6 a.m. Makkah 5:57 a.m. Medina 5:55 a.m. Qamas Mushait 5:48 a.m. Dammam 5:11 a.m. Aba 5:49 a.m. Hayal 5:43 a.m. Hafuf 5:14 a.m.
This audio has been prepared by theclearevidence.org.